Hey humans, hope everyone's had a wonderful new year so far. It's Brenda here with Audio 46 and I'm stoked to share some new merch with you guys from Audio-Technica. This guy right here, the ATH SR50BT, just launched the first day of 2019, so new year, new gear, right? Bear with me while I break it down for you. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's in the box once you get it. Pretty standard, a box in a box. The headphones are first. Cool, it comes with this really nice mesh cloth that seems like you could even use it to clean up the headphones. Comes with the instruction guides and warranty. USB charger cable, as well as the 1.2 meter cable. Comes with this nice leatherette pouch. The overall build is plastic with aluminum extenders to adjust for size. The headband and the ear cups are made of soft memory foam, making these headphones lightweight and extra comfortable. There's a lot of room for flexibility with the headband, as well as the 90-degree swivel ear cuffs. For travel purposes, the ears fold flat and can be stored in the pouch for safekeeping. Since these are the latest wireless headphones, I first tried these out using Bluetooth and I was definitely impressed with the difference between Bluetooth 5.0 and 4.1 design that Audio-Technica actually launched last year with their ANC700BT. Now, both headphones offer the same high-res codecs, and if you're not sure what that is, I'll leave it down below. But the upgrade in sound quality is easily noticed. So I am briefly just gonna walk you guys through the functions on the left ear cup. It's nice because it's all on this end. Let me start, here, let me zoom in real quick, excuse my nails. Let me start you with the micro USB charging port. The next one is the aux cable if you do want to use the wire to listen. This is the on and off switch, which I'll actually turn on right now to turn on Bluetooth. The light should go on, and you should also hear a voice confirming power on, which is comforting. There is also let me see, do you see it? NR for noise reduction and HT for hear through. And the last button is for ambience control. So I am just going to show you guys how to use the hand gestures on the left-hand side to control any of your devices that you're listening to. Bluetooth is already on. To play any song, you want to press the logo in the middle. To increase volume, just tap the top. Decrease volume, tap the bottom. Now the middle logo, when you hold it for 2 seconds, it acts as voice control. Hold it for another 2 seconds, you'll drop it. And if you're picking up a call, you can actually, same thing, 2 seconds on the logo, on and off. In order to skip a song, let's play it again. You wanna swipe up and swipe down to play back. It does take a little bit of getting used to, especially, you know, depending on how big or small your hands are. But I can say it definitely does make your life a lot easier. If you hold your palm on the cup, it'll access hear through. If you hold your hand on the cup for another 2 seconds, it'll turn it off. And when you're doing this, you can also access noise reduction. Now I'm keeping the song on play on my wireless headphones because I love it. But just to let you guys know, it usually takes about 5 hours to charge up these bad boys from 0 to 100. If you're just using Bluetooth, it'll last you about 30. If you're using Bluetooth and noise control, it'll last you still over a day, about 28 hours. On noise control on its own, it'll last you up to 45, and on standby, it'll last you 1,000. So no matter what you're doing, you'll get plenty of playtime. When using the detachable cable that's included in the packaging, you'll notice that the specially designed 45mm drivers are capable of high-res audio production. Now, in the low-end, tracks like MF Doom's Monday Night at Fluid and genres like rock, hip-hop, and pop played extremely well. While bass isn't significant as the ANC700BT model, the SR50BT exhibited enhanced clarity in this frequency range. In the mid-range, the sound seems recessed just a bit in the low-mid frequencies and gets better in the high mids, but vocals still excel, and instruments like the acoustic guitar showed impressive transparency and separation. These headphones in the highs are very crisp in sound and detail, especially when you're listening to strings. Slightly brighter than most leveled headphones, but the sound never sounds too piercing. Soundstage on these guys don't allow for too much identification of placement as I'd like, but overall these wireless headphones offer really clear and detailed quality of sound, especially at $199. Having just started with Audio 46, I appreciate all the feedback that you guys have. Give this video a thumbs up if you felt enlightened, subscribe if you want to see more, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop in the box below.